Hey everybody, it's Hailey. Welcome back to day 6 of the pumpkin challenge. Today we're going to be making some pumpkin whoopie pies by Martha Stewart, and I've never tried to make pumpkin whoopie pies ever. I don't even think I've eaten one, so this is going to be fun. And let's get started. First, I'm going to combine my dry ingredients. So I've got 3 cups of flour here. I'm going to add in some baking soda, baking powder, salty salt, and all of our spices. We have 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, a tablespoon of ginger, and a tablespoon of cloves. This is a lot of spices, so I hope this tastes okay. I'm kind of worried that this is way too much to add, but I triple checked. And that's what the recipe said. So we're gonna whisk it all together and hope it turns out okay. Whisk, 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 whisk. Give it a good whisk, whisk. Actually, I'm kind of sad that I haven't used my mixer in a while. All of these recipes have been easy to do by hand, so I haven't needed it. All right, set that to the side. We're gonna combine all of our ingredients, which is basically just everything else except for the sugar. So I've got 2 eggs here, 1 cup of oil, 3 cups of pumpkin puree, and this is close to a 29-ounce can, but it's not a full 29-ounce can, and 1 lovely teaspoon of vanilla extract. We're gonna steal the whisk and beat that until it's all nice and mixed together. It looks so creamy. Then we're gonna add in 2 cups of packed brown sugar. Then you're gonna add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. Whisk that in, although you might need to switch to a spatula or a wooden spoon if it's kind of hard to whisk in. All right, the batter is done, and here I have a baking sheet with a silicone mat on it, and I'm gonna use a cookie scoop to evenly portion out these cookies so that they'll hopefully all bake to be the same size. This is a giant one. Okay, I'm not sure about how close I can actually put these together, so I'm gonna start by making 8. And I'm gonna bake these, let you know. You wanna preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for about 15 minutes or until they are done. And this is more like a cake than a cookie, so you can test it with a toothpick if you're not sure. They are, and I think I'm gonna put them in the fridge to chill them before we put the frosting on them, so they're not warm. All right, so now we're gonna make the frosting. We're gonna make a cream cheese frosting. So you'll need 8 ounces of cream cheese and half a cup of butter. And I'm gonna put that into my bowl, and then we're gonna use a mixer to beat it up until it is nice and creamy. I forgot to mention you want both of those to be softened so that it's easy to cream those. And then we're gonna add in a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm gonna beat that in. And then I've got 3 cups of powdered sugar here, and we're gonna gradually add that into here, mixing in between. Once you've got your frosting, we're gonna put it into a piping bag. An easy way to do that is to put your piping bag over a cup. If you don't have a piping bag, you can also just use like a gallon bag. It's okay. Make this fast and easy. I'm using this pan to put my whoopie pies on just to make it easier. And I'm gonna take one and place it upside down. And then take my frosting and pipe it on there. And put another one on top. Oh, perfect. Oh my gosh, these are ginormous. Why are they so big? What in the world? right, once you fill all of your cookie sandwich thingies, the recipe says to chill them for 30 minutes, and you could probably skip this, but I think it's just so that the frosting hardens, because right now the frosting could totally just like shoot out of the cookie if you try to take a bite. It's just gonna like spill everywhere. And I will be back. Okay, I'm gonna try one. I wish I had a plate. Oh well.
Again, hold on.
Whoa. Okay, okay. Thank you for my plate. It's like a cupcake, but in sandwich form. Pretty cool. I did a thin-ish layer of frosting, but I think it's okay because I personally think cupcakes always have way too much frosting. So this is a good amount. It tastes very good. It's time to choose the next dessert. You want to choose it? Okay, my mom is going to choose this one. Oh, hopefully you don't pick one that I already made. I forgot to take them out. Pumpkin cheesecake cookies. Come back tomorrow if you want to know how to make pumpkin cheesecake cookies. Thank you so much for baking with me today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Click the subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!